Hey guys, it's Euphoria Cat. Today I'm doing a tutorial video. I recently made 3 new cat outsies and I'll be drawing them in this video. I guess it'll be like a kitten tutorial because all 3 of the OCs are kittens. Okay, so let's get started with the outline. I normally use this ink bleed pen and then I draw a whole bunch of little circles with little crosses in them. This way I can map out where I'm going to put the facial features later. Then do the little ears and then little ear floofs, and then I start the face shape. For this first one I'm doing Kitten Number One, a black and white patched female with orange eyes and no tail. They're not going to have as much fur. They're going to be a short-haired cat. Okay, now I add the little floofs in the middle of the chest there, and I start on the rest of the body. This first one's just going to be kind of sitting in the front. You know, the mature kitten that's like all calm and cool, I guess. Okay, maybe I'll start with the face now. Sometimes I put it on a new layer, just so I can see what I'm doing better without the lines in the way. It's just kind of the shape I want. Wait. Yes, female, so I'll put the eyelashes here. These OCs don't have names, so if you have any suggestions for them, please put them down in the comments. I suck at naming things. Okay, so now I'm just gonna kind of go over it a bit. Maybe add the nose and the mouth, give a little smile. The chin, other fur. Sometimes I give some fur to the ears right around there. Okay, the insides of the eye. Here we go, pupils. Yeah, that looks like a cat, I guess. I'm gonna go over the chest fur a bit more, so I'll just stick to this layer for a bit. This one's gonna be sitting. I'm gonna be putting this leg there, the arch in the back, and then the little toes. And this one does not have a tail, so I'll kind of just put a little bit of floof there. For inking it. Okay, now that I'm done with the lining, oh no, where did the picture go? Okay, so I somehow deleted this picture up here. Alright, so a black and white patched female with orange eyes and no tail. Now I don't remember if I meant they're black with white patches or white with black patches, so I'm just going to go with black with white patches because that makes the most sense to me. So I completely make this layer invisible, make a layer underneath this one, and I start coloring. Now, I have a bunch of palettes here, and since I don't want to have to find the right black, I'm going to go to Shadows palette and just use this black here. Now that all that is done, I'm going to turn this layer to alpha lock, meaning I can't draw outside of the border there, or outside of what I colored in. And I'm going to use white, and I'm going to start putting patches all over her body. Already, we're done with the fur, and I'm going to do their eyes. I'm going to make another layer underneath here. Start coloring. Alright, now I'm going to get just a little bit of a lighter gray so I can color the inside of those little snoops. Okay, now I just need to do the nose. I'm going to use this color here from my shadow palette. And we're all done with the first cat. I'm going to group these layers together so I don't have to worry about them too much. There, it takes up less space. And make a new layer, turn this one invisible, and draw the next cat. I'm just realizing it says number 1, number 3, and number 4. Okay, that's my fault. Alright, number 2. A white tom with blue eyes and a long tail. By the way, all of these kittens are siblings. Okay, I'll give it some long ears, like its parents. This one's a male, so we'll just give him normal whatever eyes. He's going to have kind of a sneaky expression, like he's going to prank someone or something. Probably one of his sisters. They're all going to be in the same picture together. Happy little family. Probably move them around a bit after too. Make sure they're all in the right spot. Okay, now on to inking. And just so you guys know, these kittens are Shadow's kittens, another one of my characters. Okay, on to coloring. Since this is a white cat, I'm just gonna cheat and not color it since the background is white. Sometimes I'll do that because I'm lazy. Alright, so blue eyes. I'm gonna use another palette here. Shadow's other version, so kind of a blue aqua color. It makes sense to use Shadow's palette since these are her kids, so they'll kind of resemble her. That was quite easy. I wonder why. Alrighty, on to the next character. Okay, I might have to color this one white. Maybe. Unless, oh no, it's just because. There we go. To move the layers around a bit. Although I might have to color her eyes. Oh no, if I get in this position, I can cheat. I don't have to color him. Okay, next cat. Okay, dark gray she-cat with no tail and orange eyes. Since these are all short-haired cats, let me know if you guys want to see how I draw long-haired cats. It's not that much different, except they're a lot more floofy, but I don't know. If you guys ever want to figure out how I do that, just let me know, I guess. Or if there's another animal you want to see me draw, I'm better at drawing cats than any other animal, but I can always give it a try. Again, I'm going to be using Shadows palette. I'm going to be using the dark gray. I kind of want to give her the aqua blue eyes instead of the orange ones, just because it's already a dark gray she cat with those colored eyes. And there we go. That's how I draw kittens. Normally I would shade them, but I am too lazy. So there we are, all done. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!